Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the crypto DeFi wallet. First, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, you'll either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Remember, your 12-word recovery phrase is crucial. Write it down and store it in a safe, offline location. This phrase is your only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your device, so treat it with extreme care. Now that your wallet is set up, let's get some funds in there. You can easily transfer cryptocurrency from your crypto app or any other external wallet. It's vital to select the correct network for your chosen asset, like ERC20 for Ethereum or BEP20 for Binance Smart Chain. Always double-check all transaction details, including the address and network, before confirming to prevent any irreversible loss of your valuable assets. With funds in your wallet, you can start exploring its features. The in-app swap allows you to exchange one cryptocurrency for another seamlessly. For earning passive income, consider staking your assets. Be sure to understand the network fees involved and any potential lockup periods for staking. These periods mean your funds might be inaccessible for a set duration, so plan accordingly for your financial goals. Finally, let's talk about connecting to decentralized applications, or dApps. The crypto DeFi wallet has a built-in browser that lets you access dApps directly. You can connect your wallet to these dApps to engage with various DeFi protocols, like lending, borrowing, or yield farming. Always exercise caution and verify the legitimacy of any dApp before connecting your wallet to protect your funds from potential scams.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.